What's up, guys? What was I gonna say? What's up, guys? I've just got in. It is Friday. Happy Friday to you guys. I've just come back from work. Matt has been at home all day because he's been working from home. Lucky for some, right? Anyway, so I was just walking down the street right now, and at the end of the street there were some guys shooting like a hood video. Matt called it a hood video. I just called it a music video. They're shooting a music video at the end of the road by the corner store. Hey, I was like, corner store video. Anyway, so I'm walking past, and a local goon, you know, the one that says hello to me, called it Sunglasses Man, the local goon. He goes, oh, you can go around. I'm like, I'm not gonna walk in their video. I mean, come on, I'm not stupid. So he goes, you can go around. And he was like, they're probably gonna want you in the video. I was like, in the hood video? No, B? Nah, star. I need to be in, like, I don't know, some other video. I'm gonna be in any video. I'm gonna, you know, not bloody corner store hood video. He don't know who I am, but I ain't know, you know. No, I'm not gonna be no hood corner store video. Thank you for the offer, but I'm declining this one. Anyway, guys, the reason why there hasn't been a vlog for 2 weeks now is because my laptop died. The laptop one day just came, it comes on and it's completely blank. Nothing. So for 2 weeks I've been trying to get it fixed. Well, we've been trying to, like, hopefully it'll just come back on by itself the same way it died. But it ain't working. Oh, my alarm's going off. So I got a new laptop. So I'm going to show you guys what my new laptop is. And this little segment here is going to go before my last week's vlogs. Okay? Oh, this was my laptop that died. And literally, like, when you turn it on and it acts like it's going to come on, but then you just have this blank screen. And I'm not dissing this laptop. This laptop was a good laptop. Matt got it for me Christmas, so it's actually less than 6 months old, but this is what happens. It's just kind of like this blank screen and nothing happens. So we've upgraded to the MacBook Pro. Yay! So excited. So I'm gonna be editing on this, and I'm gonna get Final Cut Pro. I'm gonna get myself equipped, what's the word? Situated with that. But see, this is what's happening. Any computer gurus out there, tell me what's up. David. Like, nothing. Anyway, that's what's up. Good morning. It's Monday morning. It's about 6:30 a.m. and I'm off to the gym, but Matt is here too. I think this might be day 7 for me in a row, trying to go the whole of June, working out every day. It's part of the challenge that I am doing, and hopefully it will continue. I might drop a day down to 6 days instead of 7 in July, but we'll see how that goes. But the sun is shining and it's meant to be super hot today, so I'm gonna get the workout in. We're done. I finished at the gym. Yeah, I was struggling some of those workouts, I tell you, but I did it. I got through 8 rounds of the workout that we was doing because we ran out of time. It's now nearly 8 and we're going back to get ready and hopefully leave the house in half an hour's time. We can do it, right? Yeah. How you feeling? Feeling good? Sweet. It's so tall. That's the old building that Matt used to work at. Oh, I look a bit rough. We're waiting around the corner. That building I just showed you is the Bloomberg building in New York. And Matt used to work up there on the 18th floor many years ago.
Tres carnes.
Oh, you found something?
Yeah, you okay with eating meat?
Oh, no.
What did you just tell me?
Yeah, but I still want to keep going. So I'm on this journey, or this challenge that I set myself, that I'm not having any meat for 30 days, or in June, in the whole of June. I've just been eating fish, but it's quite hard not having meat because I do want to eat meat. I just thought I'd put myself on a personal challenge not to eat meat. It's not because I have some kind of way about animals. I just don't want to eat meat. And it's 7 days today, and clearly I'm thinking about eating it. But hopefully I can keep going. Wish me luck, guys. Have you guys ever done anything like that? Like gone on a challenge of not eating meat for a certain number of time? What do you think about this, babe?
Think about what?
Me not eating meat.
It's fine. I just feel bad if I have to eat meat in front of you because I ain't giving it up. You feel me? What are you gonna do? But it makes dinner tough sometimes, especially if you go out, because she just told me she wanted Mexican food. So I found a Mexican place, but it has meat. And she said, I don't want to do the challenge. I'm not sure how I feel about the challenge. I want to go back to meat. I'm like, it's day 6.
It's day 7, babe.
Today's the 6th, no?
Oh yeah, it's the 6th. Oh, I can't.
Today's the 7th. You're right.
Yeah, I can't last just 1 week, even though 1 week is quite an achievement, to be honest. I can go there. I'm sure they do meat. Do they do that? Do they do like fish?
No, the place is called Tres Carnes, which means 3 meats.
Oh. I could just have like rice and beans.
Man, I'm gonna have meat. I feel bad if I'm sitting there chomping on the meat and you sitting there eating veggies talking about, yeah, that dude look good though.
I went for a vegetarian burrito, and Matt is having a salad with chicken. It's like a baby. This thing is huge. We're in this little place. Is it right there?
I think that's stand right there.
Chambers transfer 245 J. And now, sector blue.
You cannot tell, but it's raining cats and dogs out here. When New York rains, it rains. Like it's raining pretty bad. And I've just stepped out the office to go to the bank, and I'm like, why did I come out? Because it's bad. My umbrella is leaning big time. I've got a question for you guys. What is the first thing you do when you get into the house? So as soon as I walk in through that door, I put my bags down, go to the bathroom and wash my hands, because the New York subway is disgusting. And listen to this. Today, someone sneezed practically on my shoulder. They were like, I was like, oh, so disgusted. I was like, and she didn't say sorry or anything. I mean, I guess she tried to shield the sneeze, but like, come on, sneezing etiquette. If you're sneezing on public transport, actually, if you're sneezing anywhere, you need to sneeze in your clothes or in your elbow. That's sneezing etiquette for you. Don't be going and then spraying it onto other people. Like, so if I get sick in the next couple of days, it's because that woman sneezed on me. So, not impressed. I was so not impressed. I looked at Matt like, is this serious? Anyway, I just got home. It's Wednesday evening. It's 7:10 p.m. and I'm thinking of what I'm gonna eat. Since I'm doing this no meat challenge, I mean, it's not a challenge, but like this no meat eating thing. I guess it's a challenge because I set it for myself. But since I'm not eating any meat for the month of June, I think I'm gonna have like some prawns, shrimp for the Americans, and prawns with maybe like a prawn stir fry with some, I think I've got enough ingredients to have like a prawn stir fry. So I think that's what I'm gonna have. Someone's about to walk through the door. Hi, Matt. So I've got some salmon croquettes. That was nice the other day, that salmon croquette.
Ooh, so I have that.
Is that salmon croquette? What is this? Oh, no, what was this? Was this the sausages? I also got some seafood sausages, a wild salmon, and the other one was like a seafood sausage. It sounds weird, but it was actually very nice. And what I did with it, I put it in my, what I did with it was like after I cooked the sausage, the next day when I had some left over, I put it in my egg scramble, and it was good. It was really good. You might be able to hear our AC, we put it up. So I'm gonna find out, try and work something out in terms of dinner, then edit this vlog, then put it up. Actually guys, who watched my last vlog? Comment below. My sister sent me a clip of it while she was watching it, my 10-year-old sister, and she went, "Maureen, you are drunk." I was like, maybe I was a little bit lit, just a little bit. So I was told off. I can't be drunk in any vlogs from now on. But let me fix something to eat. Dinner is done. This is what I mastered up. Put it in the light. Yum! It's some brown rice, the veggies you saw me cut up, prawns, and some random quinoa pasta and brown rice. I'm gonna eat that up. I'm not really sure how we're meant to sleep. There's a full-blown party going on downstairs. Wonder you can hear it. You hear it? I'm like hanging out the window. How am I gonna sleep? Tell me. And then on top of that, there's a bloody barking dog. There's a dog that's barking the other night and it's still barking now. Like, how are we meant to sleep? Do you hear it? That has been going on last night, and now feed your dog. Gosh, so annoying.